All right, cool. So in this video, we're going to go ahead and cover how to delete phone numbers from records if you're ever in a scenario where you need to. So I'm going to go ahead and reset my filters real quick, make sure we're all fresh here. I'll just actually reset and just click on records page again. What we're going to do is, remember earlier, we actually had a scenario where we uploaded, we removed all of our 2 stacks, but we deleted a lot of our 2 stacks out just now, but we still have some records left over here that had phone numbers imported from the 2-stack list. And you notice, remember, I accidentally uploaded the wrong column. So we have this like random bunch of, things in here. We could go in each of these and delete them all out, but with that's with like thousands of records. So if we want to reset, we want to delete all these phone numbers out and just re-upload the list with phone numbers. So we just select all these, choose the actions, and just click delete phones, and then click apply and confirm. And what that's going to do is it's actually going to delete out all of the phone numbers from those records. So if I now, let's just select one of these here, one of these addresses here. Let me go ahead and click on incomplete and then clean again. And let's just search, let's reset filters. Let's search that address and see. Notice now we don't have any phone numbers inside those records. So what we would do is we just go in here and we'd actually re-upload that data again. And this time, make sure we map the right column so we don't accidentally, have a messed up account. The other reason you would ever do that is, for example, let's just say this one right here. Let's just say there's a phone number in here. Here, we'll just use this phone number. Oh, okay, that messed up. Use one of these numbers here. I don't know who that is, but we'll use that number. We'll click save. And now this record has phone numbers in here, okay? And let's just say, for example, this property ended up being on one of our buyers lists. So we uploaded a list. We'll just create a new list in here. Like we've shown before, we can create a new list by just typing it in. Same thing with tags. And we're going to swap out the name here to Mr. Buyer. Okay, and the mailing address, we're going to pretend like the mailing address changed, okay? We're going to click save. So now if we search for Mr. Buyer, we're going to find this address right here, and we got phone numbers inside that record now, okay? Now, the problem that we have is these phone numbers right now are from the previous seller, because when we uploaded that new buyer's list, we didn't have phone numbers in there, and even if we did have phone numbers, let's just say there was 3 phone numbers for the buyer. If there was already 2 phone numbers in here, even if we did update existing, it would actually we still have 8 more slots left here. So it would just add them in here. So when you upload like a buyer's list and you swap out the buyer's information with the seller's information, this phone numbers will still stay here. So we would want to delete out all those phone numbers. So we'd upload the buyer's list. We would then filter by the buyer's list, select all records, and then delete out phone numbers. So select visible or whatever, select all, in case in this scenario there's only one record. So then we delete phone numbers, apply, confirm, and now we're not going to have any phone numbers in there. So now we can go ahead and we can skip trace this record and have brand new phone numbers for the buyer. So really, really awesome. It saves a crap ton of time, and it's just so efficient. It's beautiful. Then we can just automatically start marketing to buyers, especially if they own multiple properties, which in this scenario, this one's showing it does, but that's just because the seller previous to this actually owned all these properties, but that's okay. It fits the example that I was giving you guys. So hopefully this was beneficial to you. That's how you delete phone numbers from records. You can either do it by clicking edit and then, deleting out the phone number physically, or you can select the physical record and then choose an action and delete phone numbers, okay? Thank you guys so much. See you in the next video.